mar Nyanza Science and Engineering Fair modonjo odiochienge mar adek kama jopuonjre mawuok e skunde sekondar mopogore opogore noyudo thuolo mar nyiso robots magichuogo kendo loso kokadhe yor lony mano manyasani. Kaluwore gi jopuonjre mag skund sekondar ma Maranda, robots nyalo kelo yot ne oganda kuonde mopogore kaka e ute thieth. Jopuonjre go wacho ni ne gitemo yudo duoko chien wach tije mag oganda ka robots ge duoko chien kinde mikao mar timo tich achiel. Gimedo ni gin kod geno ni gibiro chope piem mag piny Kenya ngima kendo nyaka piem mag pinje ma oko.
The Science and Engineering Fair partnered with Semaster to bring this thing down, to scale it down so that the robotics principles or robotic learning or machine learning can be brought down to students at secondary levels. You look at in developed countries, this is something that is brought under junior secondary or grade 1, grade 2, 3, 4. But at our level, it's not really structured. But I want to appreciate the government. The new curriculum is talking about robotics in senior school, in grade 12 and grade 11.
Our project, known as the Shadow Chaser, is able to help in emergency responses since robots work tirelessly and they are very efficient and they work under normal circumstances and the time taken for the robot to work is very minimal.
The main difference between what we created and what the other schools created is the fact that we created the Clawbot. We created the design called the Clawbot, as you've seen earlier in the video. This design is where the claw is above the brick, which is the brain of the whole robot. So we use that since it could raise loads efficiently.